Hi, my name's Alima. I teach technology in South Philadelphia, and for the purposes of this documentary on how I integrate technology in my classroom, I'm going to need a little help because currently, I'm at the beach. For the purposes of this documentary, however, we're going to use Larissa of the Groovy Girls to be me. Let's start with a quick look at my classroom. I have about 34 computers, a big old rug, and a smartboard. Now let's look at a project that some of the kids really liked. Based on C-SPAN Student Cam 2010, what they had to do was they had to answer a question and then make a documentary based on the question. They chose a challenge or a strength the country had, and then they researched that online. They had to find archival footage that kind of went along with their topic. Using all their data, they created an outline using Word. Finally, they read their information into the video section of Photo Booth and made a mini documentary. With so many elements, it took a lot of kids a long time, and unfortunately not all of them finished. I see for the future that a little bit more time needs to be spent in each group and really understanding how to use all these different components of technology. Another cool project has to do with the film Arctic Tale. Kids watch the movie, answer questions as they're watching the movie, and then they get a sense of things that need to change in order to make the world a better place. They create a mini poster using Word Publishing Layout View. It includes information as well as pictures that they got from the internet. All of this coincides with Earth Day, and this year, since we got Comic Life, students were also able to create a Comic Life comic book page based on global warming. Unfortunately, all my samples of kid work is at work. A lot of what I do is support teachers in whatever they're working on. For instance, let's talk to Ms. Schultz. What are you doing?
If you could assist the children in making recipe cards using computer technology, that would be great. Can you help us with that?
Why not? This is PowerPoint, and if the kids had to make a recipe card, all we had to do was we had to go online and look for pictures of recipe cards. We looked for images, and they chose one that they liked, and hopefully it was pretty big. They had to concentrate here on the size of the resolution. Once they had something they really liked, they drag it to their desktop. We go back to PowerPoint, slide background, choose a picture, and again, we left it on our desktop, so there it is. Apply. Now kids can write in their cookie recipe. It was pretty easy, pretty fun, and the cool thing about using it as a slide background is that it doesn't move all around, even though you can move the text. I have to admit, in terms of using Web 2.0 tools and more interactive things online, that's something that I really don't do. My students spend most of their time learning how to use the computer and basic applications therein. That doesn't mean that students don't get to go online, playing games, doing tutorials, anything that really reinforces what they're learning in school. Also, we use some internet resources to learn how to use the applications on the computer. Okay, so I'm not exactly at the beach, but I did want to take a chance to show you a little bit about who I am and the things that I'm interested in, and hopefully you could see that in watching my film. The only other thing I wanted to share is the fact that because it is a technology class that I am giving, kids are always doing something with the computer. So it's just a matter of getting them to move from doing stuff on the computer in terms of applications like Kidspiration and Word and PowerPoint to actually using some of the Web 2.0 tools that we've been getting to know in this program, and I'm really excited about that. So I hope you like the documentary. Bye.